Hello, Chris Greene here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're here in San Antonio. We're here at the Alamo. And what we're talking about, what are your flood insurance options here in San Antonio? Now, you have two options when it comes to flood insurance. And it sounds like, well, two options. Well, it could be a lot more difficult than you think. First of all, we're talking about number one, and that is the National Flood Insurance Program. Number two, private flood insurance. Remember, one's backed by the government, one's a private company. These can be weighed very differently, especially here in San Antonio when it comes to commercial properties, which is something we specialize in here in San Antonio. With the National Flood Insurance Program, you may only be able to get $500,000 in coverage for a commercial building. Well, if you look at these commercial buildings here behind me, how far do you think $500,000 is going to go? It's not going to go very far at all. So that's why it's really important that you have the right coverage in place. Whether you're trying to protect the Alamo or you're trying to protect your hotel, you want to make sure that you have that replacement cost in place. And so this is one of the benefits of private flood insurance. They can offer this on the building and contents. What if you have a $2 million building? Can you get $2 million in coverage? You very likely could through a private company. So it's important to know what your options are here in San Antonio, whether you've just got a simple home here in San Antonio, or you've got a business, or you may possibly have a historic site, which can take a little bit different guidelines when it comes to flood insurance. So if you've got questions about these things, what your options are here in San Antonio, then make sure to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand your flood risks, like this one right here, your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.